Welcome to our latest video on the most advanced military technology of today. The Véhicule Blindé de Combat d'Infanterie, VBCI, is a French 8x8 wheeled infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, developed by the French defense company Nexter Systems, formerly known as Giat Industries, and Renault Trucks Defense. The VBCI is in service with the French Army and other countries, including Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Cyprus. The VBCI is equipped with advanced technology and digital systems, including a battlefield management system, digital map display, and a satellite navigation system. The VBCI has seen combat in several conflicts, including the French intervention in Mali, where it demonstrated its effectiveness in counterinsurgency operations. The Rafale is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by the French company Dassault Aviation. It is a fourth-generation aircraft, designed to replace the Mirage 2000 and the Jaguar in the French Air Force and Navy. The Rafale has been used in a range of military operations, including the French intervention in Libya in 2011, and the ongoing fight against ISIS in Iraq and Syria. It has also been used in air policing missions, including NATO's Baltic Air Policing mission. The MIM-104 Patriot, a highly capable surface-to-air missile system, was developed by Raytheon in the United States. This advanced air defense system has earned its reputation as a vital component of modern military defenses worldwide. The system's command and control center, known as the Engagement Control Station, ECS, serves as the nerve center for all Patriot operations. It provides operators with real-time situational awareness, coordinating the overall defense strategy and facilitating swift decision-making. The M2 Bradley entered service in the early 1980s, and it has been a key component of the U.S. Army's armored vehicle fleet ever since. It has also been exported to several other countries, including Saudi Arabia, which used the vehicle in the Gulf War. The M2 Bradley has seen combat in several conflicts, including the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. It has proven to be effective in a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, fire support, and infantry transport. The High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle, HMMWV, commonly known as the Humvee, is a versatile and iconic military vehicle that has been in service with the United States military since the 1980s. The HMMWV was developed to meet a wide range of mission requirements, including troop transport, cargo transport, reconnaissance, and weapons platform. Its design incorporates features that enable it to operate in various terrains and climates, making it suitable for diverse operational environments. The Freccia Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a modern armored vehicle that was designed and manufactured by the Italian defense company Iveco Oto Melara. It is currently in service with the Italian Army, and it has been deployed in several peacekeeping missions around the world. One of the key features of the Freccia IFV is its advanced digital system, which allows for enhanced situational awareness and communication capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with a battlefield management system, a digital map display, and a satellite navigation system, which make it a valuable asset on the battlefield. The Amphibious Assault Vehicle AAVP-7A1, commonly known as the AAV, is a versatile and amphibious armored vehicle used by the United States Marine Corps for expeditionary operations. Designed to transport Marines from ship to shore and provide essential firepower support, it is a reliable and effective asset in amphibious assault missions. This armored vehicle has the capacity to carry up to 21 fully equipped combat-ready Marines, including the crew. The Altay Main Battle Tank, MBT, is a modern armored vehicle designed and developed by Otokar, a Turkish defense company. Named after General Fahrettin Altay, a distinguished Turkish military officer, the Altay MBT represents Turkey's ambition to establish a domestically produced and advanced armored platform. It incorporates advanced composite armor and modular protection systems, providing enhanced survivability against a variety of threats, including kinetic energy projectiles, anti-tank guided missiles, and improvised explosive devices. The tank's crew compartment is designed to withstand the effects of explosions and incorporates measures to reduce the risk of fire and explosion. The Bell AH-1Z Viper is a modern attack helicopter designed and manufactured by Bell Helicopter. The Viper is an upgrade of the earlier AH-1W Super Cobra, with significant improvements to its avionics, weapon systems, and performance capabilities. The AH-1Z Viper is a twin-engine helicopter with a four-bladed rotor system and a streamlined design. It is equipped with advanced avionics and weapon systems, including a helmet-mounted display system, a forward-looking infrared sensor, and a laser targeting system. The A-10 Warthog, a legendary close air support aircraft, has become synonymous with resilience and firepower. Designed by Fairchild Republic in the 1970s, this aircraft has established itself as a battlefield icon, renowned for its unmatched ability to provide direct air support to troops on the ground. The Warthog's unique design contributes to its exceptional performance in close air support missions. The aircraft's straight wings provide excellent maneuverability at low speeds, allowing it to operate effectively in austere environments and tight spaces. The Mk2 MBT, Main Battle Tank, is an armored vehicle developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, in India. One of the key features of the Mk2 MBT is its advanced protection. The tank is equipped with modular composite armor that provides enhanced defense against a range of threats, including anti-tank guided missiles, rocket-propelled grenades, and kinetic energy projectiles. The inclusion of advanced reactive armor and additional composite modules further enhances the tank's survivability on the battlefield. The Otokar Cobra is a highly versatile and widely used armored vehicle developed by Otokar, a leading Turkish defense company. The Cobra armored vehicle features a 4x4 configuration, providing it with enhanced maneuverability and off-road capability. Its design incorporates a monocoque steel hull, which offers protection against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs, ensuring the safety of the occupants in combat and high-threat environments. Songar's unmanned systems, specifically its armed drone platforms, have proven to be highly capable and effective in combat operations. These drones combine advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, precision targeting, and autonomous capabilities, to provide superior performance on the battlefield. With its export achievements, Songar contributes to the defense industry and economy of Turkey. The export of unmanned systems not only generates revenue for the company, but also enhances Turkey's reputation as a reliable and technologically advanced defense exporter. The Panther KF51 is a main battle tank that is currently being developed by Rheinmetall Land System, a part of Rheinmetall's Vehicle Systems division. The tank was unveiled to the public on June 13, 2022, at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition. KF stands for Kettenfahrzeug, meaning tracked vehicle. The innermost layer is made up of all-welded steel armor covered by passive armor modules. The second layer comprises sensor-based reactive armor, while the final layer is made up of Rheinmetall's Active Defense System active protection system. The Lynx Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a cutting-edge armored vehicle that combines advanced firepower, exceptional mobility, and enhanced protection. It was developed by Rheinmetall in collaboration with various international partners. Its deployment enhances the operational capabilities of armed forces, providing infantry units with a versatile and highly capable platform for a range of missions, including reconnaissance, fire support, and troop transport. One of the key features of the Lynx IFV is its advanced protection systems. The vehicle incorporates advanced composite and modular armor, providing high levels of protection against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The GTK Boxer developed as part of a joint venture between Germany and the Netherlands, with the goal of providing a highly modular platform that can be configured for a variety of roles, including infantry fighting vehicle, command and control, reconnaissance, and ambulance. The vehicle's armor can withstand small arms fire, artillery shrapnel, and mine blasts. The Boxer has a high level of mobility, with a top speed of up to 103 kilometers per hour on roads and 70 kilometers per hour off-road. The Ripsaw M5 showcases a sleek and futuristic appearance, characterized by its low-profile angular design and aggressive stance. It features a rugged steel construction, built to withstand demanding terrains and harsh environments. The vehicle's compact size and high power-to-weight ratio contribute to its exceptional maneuverability and agility on both off-road and urban landscapes. In unmanned mode, it can be remotely controlled, allowing for safe and effective reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition. In manned mode, the vehicle provides a protected and ergonomic cabin for operators, equipped with advanced controls and situational awareness systems. The Hunter Armored Fighting Vehicle, AFV, represents a significant technological leap for the Singapore Army, as it is their first fully digitized platform integrated with advanced C4, command, control, communications, and computer systems. Developed to meet the evolving challenges of modern warfare, the Hunter AFV combines cutting-edge technology, enhanced situational awareness, and improved command capabilities to enhance the Army's operational effectiveness. The vehicle's crew can rapidly transmit and receive critical information, including intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR data, mission updates, and tactical orders, ensuring a synchronized and coordinated response. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The drone is equipped with a variety of advanced sensors and communication systems, including electro-optical and infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence equipment. These sensors provide the drone with real-time surveillance capabilities, allowing it to detect and track targets on the ground from a safe distance. One of the key features of the Global Hawk is its ability to conduct autonomous takeoff and landing operations. Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish-made unmanned aerial vehicle or drone developed by Baykar Makina, a Turkish defense company. It has gained recognition and popularity, with over 100 units produced and exported to various countries around the world. It gained significant attention after its successful use in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan in 2020. In addition, since 2022, Bayraktar has been effectively used by Ukraine to protect its territories from the Russian army. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the world of military tech. If you want to stay up to date on the latest developments, don't forget to subscribe and let us know your opinions in the comments.